This morning I thought I was going to get to continue working on my newest project that I haven't shown you guys yet, but it turns out DigitalOcean had quite the failure, and a lot of their hardware in New York stopped working. As luck would have it, that's where I happened to keep Tetraloom.com, so, instead of working on that, I had to just play recovery mode all day. So, this is what NanoPaint looked like when I opened it up, and you might be able to tell there's a difference from, the last time you may have seen it. But this is definitely not right. So I went to go see what was up, and it looked like that the data got corrupted. So I thought, okay, I'll just go to a previous state of the board, because I do keep backups. But what I didn't mean to do was save the most recent backups to the same drive that got corrupted. So, that's not particularly smart. You got to save your data to a different drive and, ideally a completely different system and everything if you want to maximize the probability of keeping your stuff. But I did find a backup that was pretty old, and you can see it here. So it's unfortunate. It doesn't have SpongeBob in the center of the board, among other very minor changes. So I was like, golly, this is such a drag, It's unfortunate that this had to happen. But then I realized NanoPaint was, as I said in theory, an opportunity to show what happens when you can store data in the ledger. All right, so here's what I did. You can see the animation in front of you. What's going on here is NanoPaint is looking over its transaction history and basically recommitting all of the transactions that happened to build SpongeBob, among other things. So because SpongeBob is stored in the ledger and we are able to read the ledger, we're able to repaint him just as though it were happening in real time. So I just decided to play the transaction history backwards. I could have done it all at once, but I wanted to actually show you a nice little animation of it happening in real time. And so, we're here building SpongeBob. So this, is such a neat idea because it shows you that we have a storage opportunity in the ledger that's persistent and runs even when the second layer applications fail. So it's like I said in my post, a server might only be able to be online 30 minutes a day, perhaps due to government interference or something, come up with whatever scenario you want. And because the data is stored in the ledger, we're able to read it the moment we do have access to the internet. I think a more common case is just simply this. Because it's all stored in the ledger, I'm able to read the ledger and fix problems that I wasn't able to while the thing was alive because the state of the server was corrupted. And, maybe somebody else's application crashes, or maybe somebody else's application just has a bug in it. Well, it's okay. You can just look back over the ledger and fix accordingly. So, I thought this would be really cool. I hope you enjoy it. I'll just run this animation to the end, and you can see SpongeBob coming back. Bikini Bottom is saved.